You're at Diversey Station. My first CTA elevator experience.
Oh boy, your journey begins.
Yeah. Do you wanna come enjoy it with me?
I'm okay.
I can ride.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Whenever there's a window, you can always count on Sam to come over and stare into it. How much you wanna bet when we come back up, he's gonna be like making a crazy face?
Probably. Said fast and slow. The doors. Ooh!
It's just a generic.
Mid-American installed this.
You said Mid-American?
Yep, Mid-American.
Epic motor.
Plop leveling.
Oh my god.